the edge of the wind zone there. It's Sunday morning, near low tide, so I've been sounding out around the buoy just to see what depth we actually do have. So it's over 1.7 around the areas where I would expect the boat to end up. Bottom is reasonably soft, and the sandbar, which is up here, is 1.7 all the way up to the ripples, and there's the buoy, there's the ripples, so fair way away, and then straight up here is 1.7 all the way, so we are in the gap on the inboard end of the sandbar, which is quite good. Our home's straight behind the buoy now. As it's starting to rain, I think it's time to go up for breakfast. There's our drive there. Little Pakutakawa in the middle. There's obviously one of those hybrid green ones. I'm having my morning workout, pulling her up. A giant bird of paradise flower. The rain's getting steadier. I think I timed my run fairly well. There's a leopard. Escape hatch in the centre of the bridge deck. Looks like a leisure furl boom and mandrel here. It's electric winch. Wind multifunction display, try data, autopilot controls. We think that's manual. VHF. And here's a small winch for the main traveller.
4 horses.
So 54 horse Yamamas with about estimate 5,000 hours each. We'll wander up the side deck. It's just within my reach. Get the zip up. Further back it's easy. Double main sheet, one goes to each winch at the helm station. So windward winch will be main sheet, leeward winch will be Genoa. And Genoa sheets also of course run to the helm station. And capstan and chain gypsy. Looks to be 10mm chain. We've actually got a spare one of these at home. I acquired from somewhere. Right, here's the anchor. Gets launched from here. There's a bridle arrangement to go from the bow. There's a chain hook. I used to use a big snap shackle on CATMANTOO. I believe that's the 9 kVA genset. And fenders obviously. Presume that's batteries. Tanks, empty fuel and water and diesel and petrol tanks I presume. Quite a bit of storage still here. This is the there's the starboard window. It's in one piece. I presume it hasn't been replaced, but what's the tape for? So 54 horsepower Yanmar on the Yanmar sail drive. Apparently the clutch cones have been done. So the steering is cable, so there'll be some feedback unlike CATMANTOO, which is hydraulic. And the big aluminium thing's the tyre bar between the two sides.
Give or take time zone difference. Give or take time zone.
In. Thank you. Yes, please. Yes, please. Here's the diesel fill, because the diesel tanks are under bunks in here, in stern cabins. Okay, port engine bay, pretty much the same as the other side. Rake oil filters. Same arrangement. Same rudder stop. Outside shower. Oh, Matthew's going to have a shower. Yeah, very good. Big fiberglass davits. The earlier ones were not strong enough, so they're much more reinforced in this production year. Cockpit's somewhat bigger than CATMANTOO's. And look, there's a very handsome broker over there. So Here's the stairs up to the helm, and easy access from the side deck if you haven't got the clear up. It's a small step over the threshold, and a big galley, Corian tops. Use 3 burner stove, navigatorium, saloon table, a bit like CATMANTOO's, but obviously much wider saloon. I understand she's got 110 and 240 volts. And aircon. They're doing work on the starboard forward cabins, starboard aft cabin, so this got some stuff sitting here out of the way. Oh, here's the starboard forward berth. Apparently there's been a leak from this window. The boat is balsa cord, but solid glass around all the openings, so Norseand's currently doing some work on it. All the headlinings are out, obviously. Looks like I can get right across under the windows to the other side. That's the back of the navigation station panel. Let's pull one of the access panels off beside the stairs in front of the port side. So air conditioning ducting, manual bilge pump. Oh, this is under the navigation station. And here's the main battery switches. Drying rack, twin sinks. I like twin sinks.
And
And rubbish.
New in 2020. It's all the way.
Here's the head. Shower in there. These are the outdoor squabs. And it does have a shower door, so you don't have the whole compartment soaking wet. And there's a head down there. It's electric Japsco. Oh, this is the port aft cabin, which is the master cabin on this boat. And they got an sprung mattress. They got a small washing machine and the shower cubicle here. Toilet in the aft port head. Here's one of the air conditioning units. This is on the port side. And pumps. The port forward head and shower, which will be the one that's in use, with a door, just like on the other side. And they've changed the port forward cabin into a dressing room, very nicely done. And here's the forward quote bunk unquote. Amazingly, the charter versions thought that the crew could sleep in here. Have a toilet on the other side in the same sized area. This is the starboard bow. There should be a water main here. There's looking down the aft side. So this was
locker, I believe. It's just a locker.
set as a head for the crude boats, and there's the water maker. So